So I was online looking for a 93 Nissan 240SX safety neutral location, and everybody kept fighting me. And the reason why it's tough to find, you got your three main wires coming up here from the tranny. Just the intake, and this is a nighttime shot here. Literally, the safety neutral is located right on the very bottom. These two wires, I know this is not a good video because it's in the middle of the night and dark. These two wires right here literally plug in to the bottom of your relay fuse box. Way